So in the last full day of our Costa Rica workshop, and you know, it's exactly what you expect Costa Rica to be. Friendly people, full of wildlife, just one right after another. Magnificent encounters we've had. We've seen all 4 species of monkeys that you'll find on the Osa Peninsula. We've seen all kinds of birds, toucans, scarlet macaws, parrots, all kinds of stuff. And just a few minutes ago, we left right back in here. We left a sloth, and the sloth was almost at eye level with us. This is such a great opportunity. And that's the cool thing about coming here, is the fact that, you know, every day is different. Like yesterday, we probably saw a pod of 50 or 60 dolphins that we were in the boat just tooling around in, and they're jumping out of the water, and we're getting shot after shot after shot, all kinds of good opportunities. But again, that's the beauty of this whole trip, just the diversity of what you see. And the other beauty is, we're like in mountain time zone. It's not like traveling halfway around the world and it messes you up when you're asleep. I mean, we're like in the same time as Denver, and so it's easy to get to down here. And that's the beauty of coming here. It's like for me from Dallas, it's a 4-hour flight. But again, just a remarkable country. This is the 3rd time in the year I've been to Costa Rica. 2 times for workshops. 1 time I came back on my own and brought my wife, and I just love this country and love coming here, and hope you'll join us one day.